If you watch my live streams or coding tutorials, you know that I search a lot. This is because I don't really memorize minute things, I memorize large concepts. So sometimes I have to look up silly things like Salesforce for loops. You know, let's all be honest, we've been there. So what really takes a toll on you is typing out Salesforce or Visualforce or Lightning Web Component, which is a new one for me, which takes a lot of, let's say, typing time. So what Google Chrome has is a very neat trick where, or I guess feature that you can do to speed up your search times. So right there, if you saw it, I did it very quick. I typed out SF space and it pre-filled out Salesforce for me. So I'll do it a little slow. Testing. Oh, sorry, I said I was going to do it slow. I've gotten really used to using this, so it helps me out on a daily basis. SF space code coverage. And we see that it automatically pre-fills out Salesforce and drops us into the search for it. So you can do this for just about anything that offers up, you know, any different type of Google searches, or you can actually do this for the website. So let's get into how this is done. You'll come over to the right, hit the ellipsoids, go into settings, scroll down, manage search engines. And down here in the other search engines, we can see that I have a couple of them set up. Well, some of them defaulted. So the YouTube one, I'll give you an example. And then this is the ones that I've created, the custom ones. So what you do is click add over here. Lightning Web Component. We'll type in LWC, and then this is where we're going to place our search query, and it's saying that %s is the actual query or whatever we are typing in. So I have this one pre-populated for Lightning Web Components. I'll copy it and paste it on here. You can find it in the description as well on to get this link. So here we're typing in the default Google search query, Lightning space web space component, another space, and then our actual query. So I'm going to add this. If I type in LWC space updating child records, and we see that LWC automatically populates in here, and updating child records is there as well. So we're looking at, you know, anything that we have, whatever we needed is now on here. And we can do this for a bunch of different things. YouTube has a default populated one. So if you do YouTube tab, Lightning Web Components, we see that it automatically searches YouTube, and it's you know, filtered down to what we want. So it makes things a lot quicker and a lot faster for you to type things out. And you won't really, you may not think that it's going to save you a lot of time, but after you get used to it, it's definitely something that you notice when you don't have available. And then just one additional one that I want to show you on here. So let's say that we're learning Salesforce and we like to search Trailhead very often. So we want to search like Trailhead Apex, because most of the time Trailhead has the beginner things that we're looking for, the beginner best practices that we have on here. So this may not have actually been what I wanted. We may have been wanting to do like a full search onto Apex and look through a bunch of different things that could actually help us out, at least for like a quick start. So Google doesn't always have what we're looking for in terms of what we want to search. So how we can actually do that type of quick searching is up here in the URL. If you notice, there's this question mark keyword equals Apex. And this is the key here. If we actually type in LWC up here, it's going to search LWC for us. So if this is possible in the URL, we can also make it a quick action inside of our Google search. So we'll type in Trailhead. Our keyword is going to be TH, and then I think I have the URL over here as well. Copy that. And then we can see here it's trailhead.com, whatever our search URL is, so whatever the base is over here, and then %s, which is whatever our keyword is. Now, if I come in here, let's actually close this out and do Trailhead, or TH space Apex badge. I should probably do Apex testing, but whatever. we can see that it automatically brings up and searches default for us. So that's being able to do quick searching, which is very helpful in saving times overall and helping you guys be a little bit more efficient in terms of doing your Salesforce searching and getting information that you need. If this video was helpful, hit that thumbs up. Make sure to comment on what you want to see next and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out my other videos where I help you become a Salesforce expert.